Ahoy! Canon M50 YouTube Kit 2020. That's the title of today's video. I had a good look at all the equipment I have here and I narrowed it down and created studio and outdoors filming kit I'm gonna be using in early 2020. My kit is changing all the time, but that's what I'm gonna be using beginning of the year. Some of you might find it very useful as I will explain what items I'm using and why, especially if you own Canon M50 or you're just building your YouTube studio. At the same time, today is a giveaway and 2 items will be revealed throughout the video. 2 items will go to 2 lucky winners. For the new faces, welcome. My name is Zdenka. Darula. I create photo and video tutorials, tech reviews, and creative camera challenges. So if that's something you are passionate about, consider subscribing. The main reason I named this video Canon M50 YouTube Kit 2020 is the fact that Canon M50 is the most important item here. Everything kind of goes around that camera, or it has to be compatible with the camera. I'm gonna be showing you filming kit which is making these videos here for you, not talking about kit for my clients or not talking about kit for photography, which is completely different. Canon M50, which is filming right now, is a budget camera. I got it about a year and a half ago. Because of the pricing, mainly it also made sense for me because I already have other Canon lenses. I was deciding between Canon and Sony, but then the pricing and the color science, that's what made my decision. The type of videos I make here, the tutorials, sometimes require 2 camera bodies, and my second camera body here is Canon M6 Mark II. Right now it is a second camera body. But I'm pretty sure that in early 2020, once I get my hands on the promised firmware update with the 24 frames per second, then this camera will become my main camera and Canon M50 will become my second body. And it's just natural process. The more advanced you get, you kind of want the higher level of equipment. 99% of the time I'm using this kit lens, 15 to 45 millimeters. It's Canon lens. It came with both cameras. I find that that's exactly what I need. It's wide enough. I can zoom in far enough. It is not the best though in low light. As far as batteries go, I have 3 batteries. One is Canon, which came with the Canon M50, and the other ones I have are Wasabi power batteries. I find that I run through 1 full battery and a little bit through the second one per video session. When it comes to memory cards, I just have a mix of different memory cards. I literally grab whatever is laying around, never really had any problem with any of the cards. The microphone I have is Rode. It came with the Canon M50. When I'm filming in a studio, like right now, I have it in a stand, then I have extension arm and I have extension cable. I want to get that microphone as close to me as possible since the sound is going up. The camera is sitting on a tripod. Cameron, I think I've had it for 10 years. It's a very old tripod. I've abused it quite a bit. I'm still surprised it's holding well together. It's not the sturdiest tripod. It's quite light because I like to take it on locations. I gotta say I'm pretty actually happy with this tripod. I have another tripod, super light, over there in the back, but I'm not gonna even show it to you. I use it sometimes, but that one definitely needs to go. I bought it because it was so light and I wanted it to take it with me when I was traveling to Europe, but it's not a good tripod. It's falling apart all the time. On the top of the camera is sitting this View 7-inch touchscreen external monitor, which saved me already many times, especially if I'm filming with the black background, which is not very wide. When I'm setting up and I look at the LCD screen on the Canon M50, I see sometimes everything is good, but then as soon as I turn on the external monitor, I see that there is corner of the wall showing, or there are some items which are not supposed to be in a shot. I really love the fact I have now external monitor. The main light I have here is this Ring video light. I have it for almost 2 years now. It works fine. There is no problem with it whatsoever. It's dimmable. There is no fan. It's super quiet, doesn't interfere with the sound. Some of the bigger video lights have the fan and then you can hear it. Down the road though, I would love to change it for some sort of a video light with a softbox. The second video light I have and I use a lot, it's actually sitting behind me right now, lighting the background, is the Pokelight Falcon Eyes F7. I really like this little light. You can change different colors, you can use all kinds of lighting effects. I use it lots. I highly recommend this one. Last item I use in a studio when I'm filming these YouTube videos is this Zeppen slider. I use it when I'm trying to show off the products I'm talking about, the ones I'm making review about. It makes the shot look very professional. It's quite small, you can store it easily. Highly recommend this one. Break time. It's time to reveal the first item for a giveaway. One lucky person will get this beautiful 7-inch ultra bright external monitor from the Anderson. Yes, to win this item, you need to be subscribed to this channel, like this video, and comment below the video within first 48 hours since the video was published. Now you've seen my indoors filming kit, let me show you what I'm using outdoors. Most of the time I'm filming with the Canon M50, nothing really else. For filming outdoors, naturally you need ND filter, so this is what I'm using. I'm using this variable ND filter from ProMaster. And in my bag I also carry Tiffen circular polarizer because when I'm filming the B-roll I just want to have nicer colors. Here and there outdoors I use this Joby Gorilla Pod. I don't use it too much. I usually prefer the tripod and free hands. I'm finding the camera is very light, but when I have it in the Joby Gorilla Pod and I'm filming for a while, I start feeling it in my arm. My arm is getting sore, it starts bugging me, it just throws me off. Maybe if I would be vlogging, having fun, saying whatever I want to say, that would be different. But if I'm explaining something very technical, all I'm thinking now, oh god, my arm hurts, it's starting to shake, I don't know how much I can take it, and then I start forgetting what I want to say. Another very important item I use outside when I'm filming, it's this furry thing for the microphone. When it's a little bit windy, it really does break the wind down. It's super helpful. I'm using it for about 2 years now. I wish I used it before. Newly added item to my filming kit is this Insta360 Go. It is action camera. I call it the filler. It really does help me to get those entertaining filler shots I need for the videos. I always struggle with the time. I only have a few hours a day to film those videos and make the videos for you guys. So this item really changed a lot for me. I really love it. You will see what I'm talking about on Monday. And the last two items I actually have added to my filming kit for 2020 for YouTube. I always had that before anyways. It's my Android Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. As you can see now though, I have literally permanently attached to it Moment anamorphic lens. I will be reviewing this lens very soon as well. That item, phone with the anamorphic lens and action camera Insta360 Go, are right now in my purse all day long, from the morning till the evening. I carry it everywhere, just in case I see something I can snap photo of or video and I can use it in my future content or on social media. Break time again. Another giveaway item is here. One lucky person will get this. It's another external monitor. This one is from this view and it's 5.5-inch Mavo P5 external monitor. All you have to do within first 48 hours since this video is going live, subscribe to this channel, like the video and comment below. What shall you comment? Anything you like. You can say hi, you can say ahoy. You can tell me what is your favorite item in your filming kit or which one you would like to have in your filming kit. Or if you have any question or comments, just anything you can put there. Remember, it has to be first 48 hours to be able to win one of those items. Again, those items are Anderson 7-inch ultra bright external monitor and this view 5.5-inch Mavo P5 external monitor. Well, I'll see everybody in the next one. Thanks so much for watching. Ciao, ahoy.